going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign of what's going to happen to these other workers moving forward.
I want to give a special thanks to those who purchased the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. I got the numbers in for December. I'll give you a special thanks. Also, those who donate to the Cash App Patreon, hitting bigger numbers. Those who are shopping at both stores, much love to you for supporting the channel. Let's get into the video. Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. And guys, we definitely see cryptos up right now. We see the stock market blasting off. We see that the Bitcoin dominance got hurt. Now, guys, it normally follows the S&P. So right now, the S&P is having a great day. So most likely tonight, Bitcoin is going to have a great night. But what are we going to do? Focus on those indicators. Hopefully you got yourself in position yesterday, so therefore you can take advantage of this move up. But we have, of course, volume. We have USDC and Tether. And as we can see, like I stated to you yesterday, XRP was going to run up, but it was definitely going to come right back down because we know it went up for no reason. We know it's all manipulation. So hopefully those took advantage of it and didn't get hurt. But one important thing, guys, we see USDC is doubling on exchanges. And we see Tether going the opposite way. So we see this is definitely strategic, and we know the big hands behind USDC. So definitely USDC can easily take Tether's place, guys, if we don't keep our eye on it. And then plus, guys, we know the Fed repos are today. So we have today and the 9th is the last day. And then, of course, on the 31st, we actually stop the repos. So while everything's going up, people are happy when everything's going up. But like I stated, we always get a correction in the first quarter in the stock market and in cryptos. And it always hits you out of nowhere. When you least expect it, that's when the Fed takes your money. And we know they're there to take our money. Now, guys, we have Grayscale may jumpstart the Bitcoin run. Now, we have Guggenheim puts like $500 million. I think it started either yesterday or today into Grayscale. So that's $500 million. Now, guys, we know with Grayscale, they're only getting the exposure. They're not actually buying the actual crypto. Basically, Grayscale is doing that. But when they put that $500 million in there, they only want to get the exposure. Now, don't forget Ethereum futures launch this month on the actual 8th. And then plus who opens back up the Ethereum Trust? That's right, Grayscale. So we already seeing the manipulation, guys. We can't fall for the same tricks. Let's make sure we keep an eye on things. Now, we have Robinhood shelves IPO plans due to GameStop, and we know they're going out for the hearing. All that is a distraction, guys, to keep your eyes off of what's really going on, and that's the building of the 4th Industrial Revolution, Society 5.0. But you know, on this channel, I give you the truth, nothing but the truth, but the truth definitely hurts. But what does it do? Set you free. That's right. Now, guys, we have also Coinbase may be doing a direct listing. And the only thing I can say is please, please, please let them get a direct listing. So then therefore, guys, we can get a bottom price. Because we know when they do IPOs, the initial investors run it up before we can even get a piece. We have to hold it for about 2 years before we can either see some profits. So definitely, I hope they do that direct listing on NASDAQ. We'll definitely keep an eye on that. Now we have Brave New Coin in Nevada may be helping customers buy cannabis. Guys, we know that cannabis is going to be big. And we also know it's a few cryptos that are looking at doing the actual crypto for cannabis. So whichever coin gets that mass adoption, then of course we're going to ride that one up. We have Consensus and SecuroSense launch new long-term Ethereum staking protocols. So guys, while they're trying to get this Ethereum 2.0 running, scaling it is very, very important for the fourth industrial revolution. We know how important these smart contracts are going to be. Now we have blockchain will revolutionize healthcare. I've done plenty of videos on that. It's definitely coming. Ben Gertzel, how Bill Gates were funding them billions of dollars to revolutionize healthcare. Now we also have the Chinese sports lottery firm 500.com is investing $8.5 million in Bitcoin mining machines. So guys, we know when it comes to energy is going to be changing. Everybody keeps talking about, oh, it's using all this electricity, but we steady seeing all types of solar, hydrogen, all types of renewable energies that are coming, guys. It's definitely going to change. We're not going to be using the same electric grid. We know that the Rockefellers, JP Morgan started that. We know we could have been doing wireless. If you've done your research on the ancient Egyptians, this is what Nikola Tesla studied. If you go and study Nikola Tesla, he was obsessed with the ancient Egyptians. And that's why it's in my book. If you have my book, you understand that. Nikola Tesla didn't create these things, guys. He did what every great scientist does, and that's copy the past, guys. That's all it is. Only thing they're doing right now is selling you what was already done. But it's just got the devil's hands on it. Remember, when it comes to technology, it's good and evil. Nikola Tesla wanted to give everybody free energy. Just imagine that. He wanted to bring free energy because he found out the ancient Egyptians had free energy. But what did JP Morgan did? No, we can monopolize this and make money. So guys, we're living in the past. Don't forget that. Now we have India minister comes out and says that no, they're not going to be banning crypto. And we know this. Guys, you can't fall for the Hegelian dialectic with these articles. Remember, a lot of these articles are done by algorithms. So just imagine all the racism, everything that goes on that's negative. They're programming these algorithms to do the same thing. So the world is not going to change. It's the fact that you're definitely not going to be able to point the finger at anybody because everything is going to be done by a computer. Now we have Pokemon-inspired blockchain game Axie Infinity escapes Ethereum gas fees as Ronin sidechain. And guys, definitely when it comes to these fees, it's definitely ridiculous. So when it comes to the actual Axie Infinity game, you definitely can make money off of that, guys. I'm not a gamer, but I definitely know people that are making pretty good money off of that actual game. Now we have 21 shares launching. The first Polkadot ETP is now available on Swiss Exchange. So right now we don't have an ETF. Guys, the closest that we actually can get to it. And then lastly, we have Gemini partners with crypto lender Genesis to offer 7.5 yield on customer deposits. So guys, we got to take advantage of this free money when it comes to cryptos. We know when it comes to the legacy markets, countries are negative or 0% interest. In a place there's nothing but speculation, guys, we getting free money every time you turn around. Forks, yields, staking. Guys, it's everywhere. Please take advantage of it. Educate your friends and family. Even if they just want to do stable coins, you can make money on yield just on stable coins. So definitely, guys, they don't have to worry about taking the risk of whether this crypto is going to go up trading. They don't have to do any of that. Buy some stable coins, sit it, and you're still making money if you're not into that. Only thing you're trying to do is make some profit. That's the way to go. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, BitChute, Binance, don't forget about the links are in the description. Also, book links. Also, the Stock Channel, guys. Do not forget about the Stock Channel. Like, subscribe, spread everywhere. You have your Cobalt, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming. Everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about the at-home stocks. Also, the C word, guys, the biotech stocks that keep pumping and dumping. Believe me, they're pumping and dumping. And then also, while everybody's at home getting free money and waiting on that free money, what are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.